The first public flight of India Tapas surveillance drone will take place at Aero India Expo 2023 at Bengaluru. The Tapas BH drone, developed by Defence Research Development Organization with over 180 flights clocked till now, will live stream of aerial and static display of different aircraft during the Aero India show at Bengaluru. The Tapas BH will show its capabilities, which includes operating at high altitude up to 28,000 feet with an endurance of over 18 hours. The medium altitude long endurance is DRDO solution for ISTAR, that is called Intelligence, Surveillance, Target Acquisition and Reconnaissance requirement of the Indian Air Force and Army. The armed drone called Archer Next Generation, which can carry 330 kg of weapons including a smart anti-air field weapon and anti-tank guided missile in turn, will be flight tested for the first time by June-July. The Tapas BH drone, earlier called Rustam 2, has a maximum speed of 225 km per hour with a 20.6 meter long wingspan and a command range of 1000 km with a satellite-based communication. The unmanned aerial vehicle, also capable of night flying, is now getting ready for the formal users and trial evaluation by armed forces. Thereafter, it can go for that production in a larger number by Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited and other companies. Recently, we have seen in the conflicts between Armenia and Azerbaijan to the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, where the operational utilities of the drone and artificial intelligence enabled drones were used. In the recent past, it is lagged far behind with the other nation in developing advanced unmanned aerial vehicle and has been importing HERON and Searcher 2 drones in a larger number from Israel over the years. Another Indian Defence Wing Navy also has two unarmed MQ-9B Sea Guardian drone on a lease from US firm General Atomics. Advanced indigenous drone will be much cheaper, and the Tapas BH, which is currently flies with a foreign engine, cost around 40 to 45 crores with all its mission sensor. The platform is capable of operating in both days and night condition, and it can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously based on the pre-programmed flight plans. It has sensor and cameras that allow it to capture high-resolution images and videos. The data collected by the drone can be transmitted to a ground control station where it can be analyzed and used to make informed decisions. It will include a display of product on aeronautical system, missile, armaments, electronics, microelectronic devices and computational system, soldier support technologies and life sciences, among others. The display will showcase the recent advancement made by DRDO in furthering Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.